We are going to go ahead and remove this bonnet off this Volkswagen Polo. Getting the bonnet off is pretty simple. You've got 2 bolts on this side, 2 bolts on that side, and then you've got this washer hose. So that needs to be disconnected from there. So to disconnect this pipe, you've got to disconnect these washers over here. These need to come out. Little clip on here. Simply pull that. All the little clips either side. Once you've got them out, you can pull this out. Here you've got 2 bolts which are 14 mil. I'm just going to loosen them a little bit. The only thing that's holding the bonnet up is this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the other screws. I'm going to hold the bonnet up. Remove this. Gently bring it down. Right? Gently. As it comes down, I'll just lift it up like that.